Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the last session, we had discussed how to write strings to the terminal by using three functions, printf, putchar, and puts. In this session, we explicitly move to printf of function. So we have general printf function is simply printf percentages, comma, name of the string. Whatever the value present in this name, that is printed on the output screen. Now, my another variation is printf percentage star dot star s, suppose backslash n w comma d comma string. This is my another format of string. Now I will explain clearly what is the procedure and what this thing. Simply it prints the first D characters. Here I am specifying D. So the first D characters of the string, whatever the string we are passing, in that string it will consider only the first two characters. Then what is W? W is in the field width of W. That means a total width of W is allocated for printing. In that particular width, it prints only D characters from the string. This first star is for W. This second star is for D. This S is used to represent the string. Okay. Along with, we can also specify, for example, percentage 10.4s. We can represent like this. Percentage 10.4s. What do you mean by this one? It indicates 4 characters. It indicates the 4 characters are to be printed in the width of 10 columns. That is, a total of 10 spaces are allocated. In these 10 spaces, only first 4 characters are printed from the given string. For example, if you are given the minus symbol, the concept is same, but the thing is, it is a left justified. Left justified in the sense the string is printed from the left side. The string is printed from the left side. We have to remember some rules. What are the rules? The first rule is, when the field width is less than the length of the string, then the entire string is printed. You got it? If the width is less than the length of the string, suppose if the length of the string is 10, if the field width is 5, so in this case it does not consider any points. The entire string is considered the integer value, whatever the integer value that is placed after the decimal point specifies the number of characters to be printed. Suppose when the number of characters to be printed is 0, simply nothing is printed. You got it? If you are specifying any number, means that particular number of characters are printed. If you are passing 0, in the sense no character is printed. We already discussed the minus sign indicates that is left justified. Minus sign indicates that is left justified. Now we will implement one example program. Suppose my pattern is like this: C, CP, CPR, CPRO, CPROG, GR. You got the pattern, I think. GRA. Suppose C program. This is the pattern you required. This is the pattern you required. Simple example. This is the very, very simple. Char, assume a string, str is equal to C program. Remember here, no need to give the size also. If you are not given any size, this is considered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So including null character. If you are not passing any size, simply it will consider the size. So this is my string. I am declaring the variables int I comma d for I is equal to 0. So total length is 8. I less than 8. I plus plus in this. How many number of characters are to be printed? First time 1 character. In the second iteration 2 characters. Third iteration 3 characters. Fourth iteration 4 characters, like so. So I am using the variable d is equal to I plus 1. So initially I is equal to 0. That is, in the first step, d value is equal to 0 plus 1. So how I am writing my printf statement? Printf percentage. It is the left justified. It is left justified. So minus, what is the width? Width is your choice. For example, the length of the string is 8. I am using a width of some whatever it is. Point star s backslash n. Here w is fixed. Here I am already given w. In this case, no need to pass the w. You can pass directly d comma str. What is the meaning of this one? D. First time d value is equal to 1. That is minus 12.1. So first character is printed. In the next iteration, d is equal to 2. Minus 12.2. So 2 characters, 3 characters, 4 characters, 5 characters, and so on. Main. This is the way to print the program. So the star. If you are not interested to write 12, here you can use another variable w. Here also you can represent by using star. Okay. This is the way to print this type of pattern by using a simple printf statement. Thank you.